Hi, welcome back. Welcome to day 23 of gratitude journaling. And today is the notorious Black Friday here in America. For those of you that are addicted to shopping, I am not. I did one little tiny black shopping jaunt, and it was for a ridiculously expensive paintbrush that was on sale for my partner. He's a painter, and it was normally like something ridiculously out of price, overwhelmingly priced, and they had 40% off. And the kind of cool, or not cool thing is that they only had one. So I had to, we had gone a few days before to look at something at the art store here where I live in the island of Maui, and they had one of those paintbrushes. That's how I even knew he wanted it. So that was my big Black Friday shopping, one paintbrush. So today it's been a wonderful day, and for those of you that are or aren't familiar with my process, I live in the island, on the island of Maui in Hawaii, and I'm a recycled, I want to say a recycled, I don't want to say fanatic, but I love recycling. I guess recycle obsessed, is that better? And I love to, if I can, make art from stuff that's being discarded. I do. So I have lots of books that I collect from all over, and mostly from things people are discarding, or maybe even yard sales. So that's where this image came from. It came from this Macmillan's First Dictionary, and it was being let go of. So it's in my pile of supplies, and I enjoy using it. So I just love this image, and it kind of reminded me, if you guys have ever been to the Hawaiian Islands, the turtles lay their eggs here, and then these little tiny turtles struggle to get from the beach to the ocean, and it's a big deal here. And they struggle so that they can begin their new life. And what's kind of cool is the turtles themselves come back every year. Even so, when they're born on that beach, they come back and lay eggs on that beach. Isn't that cool? So it's a really cool thing here. But it just got me to thinking. I've been cleaning out my stuff. I've been going through and releasing things that can find better homes, or that I may not use, or actually look at things that I could use that I maybe put off of. So when I was flipping through, keeping things, and I saw this little hatchling, it made me contemplate on like my own life right now. And no, I don't have the same struggles, but I feel like I have a lot in common as far as like having to come back to myself, coming back home to myself. These little turtles come back home to lay their eggs so that they can create something new. So I'm releasing all these things in my life to come back home to me. And then coming back home to me, I can begin a new journey. And the struggle of releasing things that are not mine, or that I thought were mine, or that I thought I needed to do, And so I think I'm still in that stage of, letting go and beginning new, wanting to really focus on beginning a new path, or a new journey, or something that I feel really good about, something that I feel really proud of, not because I have to, or someone's told me to, or I feel obligated to, but because it's mine. So these little turtles breaking out of their shell, I feel like that, breaking out of my own boundaries, my own shell, to begin my new journey. So today's journaling for me is about journeying back to me, journeying home to begin new. So This is called The Journey Home Back to Myself, one step at a time. One idea inspired by another, the spark of creativity, the spark of joy, the spark of friendship, each building one upon another, a new journey yet defined, but lived each moment. Well, I wish you, each and every one of you, a wonderful moment by moment spark of creativity, spark of joy leading you home to yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Thank you for your friendship, your love, your encouragement. And until tomorrow, as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha.